Hey guys, let me show you around the bus. So, small thing, but our new driver's chair we got recently and replaced. We were able to salvage it from a Chrysler Sebring. So it's awesome. It has the seat belt already installed in there. So here is the bus. You'll have to excuse all of our paper, but we recently painted our benches that are here and there, and we're just trying to keep that paint clean. Both of these benches have storage underneath them, and then our couch, which I've maybe shared in past posts. And then, it's funny because the blog posts, I feel like, are just a little bit behind our progress, so you'll have to excuse me if I'm showing or repeating any of this that's already been on the blog. This current workspace is going to be where our little wood-burning stove is going to go. There will be storage underneath there. And then we have counter space on both sides. We've been working on getting drawers in place, so we have a lot of storage that'll be happening. And then our sink is in underneath. We have yet to hook water up to the bus, but we will be doing that soon. Our little oven is in place. And then the refrigerator will happen or be put in place back here. Next to that is going to be our pantry, and then a desk space with storage, and then off to the right is the bathroom, which halfway looks really good. The other half of it is pretty undone. This is where the bathroom will go. I'm working on getting the wood pieces cut for that, but this is the shower, and that was quite an undertaking. My dad came in to help us get started with that back wall, and then Paul and I did the rest, and we just got our door put in the other day, so that's exciting. So as soon as we get the shower head put in and the the nozzle put on, we'll be able to hook water up to the bus to kind of run it through the pipes and get everything moving. And then back here, not a lot's happened in the bedroom. We have pieces of wood waiting to go up. So yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna hopefully post blog posts and or maybe videos a little more often. Basically, we're in the home stretch, hopefully a month left of work, so we'll see. Thanks for watching.